So today we're going to be talking about how to generate leads using inbound marketing strategies. There's a lot of different ways to do inbound marketing. So I'll kick it off. Obviously, one of the very famous ways is doing Facebook ads. A lot of people think it's interruptive marketing, but over the years it obviously has become a lot smarter. The entire algorithm that Facebook uses is a lot better. So I'll give you guys a couple of different examples. If somebody goes and searches on Google for lawyers in Manchester, the next time they actually load up Facebook, they will be represented with a law-specific ad. So you are kind of essentially going after in-market people that are looking out for an actual law firm. But away from Facebook ads, what's your strategy?
So I think the main strategy for inbound marketing is SEO. Yep. So search engine optimization. You've got two different forms of SEO that you can be doing. You can be ranking in the map pack, which is local SEO, also known as GMB SEO or Google Business Profile SEO. And what that is ranking the business profiles in the local map pack. You're trying to get as many reviews as you can there and trying to build it up with posts and photos, being very active. And in local SERPs, so if you're searching with regards to lawyers in Manchester, like you said, you're hoping that you come up high there within the map pack. The next part then is actual web pages and organic listings. So what you want to be trying to do is build like a lot of quality content, topical authority, and then you need backlinks, which acts as votes back to your website. You can drive a lot of traffic from SEO. And the fact that these have come out of the way and done a search, gone through to your website, read the content that's on your website, and then inquired, they're a much, much warmer lead than in comparison to, let's say, outbound lead generation. So for me, one of the best inbound marketing strategies to generate leads is SEO. But what about yourself then with regards to PPC?
Yeah, so the last strategy that we're going to be talking about is PPC. Now PPC is kind of the top section above SEO that what you've just mentioned. So you are actually paying per click. That's why it's called PPC. Now a few things to bear in mind about PPC. It can be very expensive if you are looking to run a PPC campaign. A lot of people think that if they're comparing PPC to SEO, they think PPC, that's a lot quicker. I'm going to get a lot more leads. You can get a lot of leads if you know what you're doing, if you've got the correct negative keyword list. Just one thing to bear in mind is working on that negative keyword list. So, for example, if you are a law firm, you want to be making certain that you're not bidding for certain keywords like jobs or careers or university as well. A lot of PPC agencies or a lot of people that set up PPC for their business, that's probably one of the biggest downfalls that they actually have. They end up burning a lot of money on keywords that they just shouldn't have put a bid in for to begin with, and then away from that, you also do have a little bit of click fraud that you need to worry about. There are certain tools that can actually mitigate that. So click fraud's basically when, say for example, your competitor clicks on your ad to look at your landing page, and when they click that ad, is going to charge you, let's say, £10 or £20 or £50. So those are all the inbound marketing strategies that we're talking about.
Yeah, I mean, on the click fraud as well, there's a lot of bot traffic. So there's people doing it via software, and that can quickly burn your daily budget. And this is where, like, you need to be a specialist. If you are looking for marketing strategies to generate more inbound inquiries, you actually need to know what you're doing. I touched upon and made it quite simple from an SEO strategy. You just need to write good quality content, topical authority, and backlinks. But majority of people don't write good quality content. Majority of people don't understand how many articles that they need, and they don't buy the right type of backlinks or acquire the right type of backlinks. When you don't know some of these marketing strategies, sometimes if you are looking to generate inbound leads, some of the better ways of actually generating the inbound inquiries is teaming up with a lead generation company. Over at FatRank.com, there's two different models that they offer there. So they've got the commission-based lead generation service, and you've got the pay-per-lead lead generation service. Both of those are inbound marketing strategies. It's using the exact three strategies we just spoke about there with Facebook ads, PPC, and Facebook. If you do manage to get on and meet the criteria for the commission-based only, you have nothing to pay unless you convert any of the inquiries. So sometimes don't just always look and think you need an in-house team to generate inbound marketing leads. Sometimes it is good to outsource to a B2B lead generation company who understand and do this day in, day out. Sometimes that can save you time and it can save you money in the long run. But don't throw all your eggs in the fat rank basket. Go and try one or two others as well and see who is the best and is giving you the best ROI. You make sure you're tracking those KPIs and then make certain that when you are looking to generate leads, you're looking at all the 4 different angles from there.